How to create sliding announcement bar Shopify Dawn theme. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a sliding announcement bar in Shopify's Dawn theme. This is perfect if you want to display promotions, shipping updates, or any important message in an eye-catching way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add a custom marquee announcement bar, style it, and make it mobile responsive, all without needing an expensive Shopify app. So let's dive in. Step 1: Understanding Shopify's Dawn theme and marquee effect. Before we start coding, let's understand what we're building. What is Dawn theme? Dawn is Shopify's default free theme designed for speed and customization. However, it doesn't include a built-in sliding announcement bar, so we'll have to manually add one. A marquee effect makes text scroll continuously from right to left or any direction, and this effect is often used for new stickers, promotions, or urgent updates. First, we need to modify Shopify's code to add a sliding announcement bar. So the first thing that you're going to do is to log into your Shopify admin panel, click on Online Store and then Themes, and then under your Dawn theme, click Actions and then Edit Code. Or you can simply just click on the three dots right here and then tap on Edit Code. This will open the themes code editor where we'll be adding our custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now let's add an announcement bar structure. In the Shopify code editor, locate sections and then header.liquid. Scroll to the top or near the header section. Add this custom HTML code just before closing the header tag. This will create a simple scrolling text banner that continuously moves from right to left. Save it and then let's preview if it works. And as you can see, it works perfectly fine. Next, we need to style the announcement bar to make it look professional and responsive. In the Shopify code editor, go to Assets and then base.ss or theme.scss in some versions. And then scroll to the bottom and add this CSS. This ensures that the bar is always visible, has a bright color, and uses smooth scrolling. Again, let's preview it. Now we want to make the announcement bar to look good on all devices, so let's add a media query for mobile screens. Now, the text size adjusts for mobile users, keeping it easy to read. By default, Shopee's Marquee scrolls at a medium speed, but we can adjust it. So if you want to change the speed, update the Marquee tag in header.liquid. To increase scroll amount, for example 10 for faster scrolling, and then you can decrease it to 2 for slower scrolling. To process text when hovered, add the CSS in base.css. You can just copy paste it at the last part. Now, when the customers hover over the announcement bar, the text stops moving, making it easier to read. Let's save and preview. Instead of just showing one message, let's make it rotate different message automatically. Open theme.liquid and then just before closing the body tag, add this JavaScript. Now the announcement bar will automatically change messages every 5 seconds. Again, save and preview. Once you've added the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, click Save, and then go to Online Store and then click on Customize. Here you can preview your store to check if the announcement bar is working properly. If everything looks good, publish your theme so it goes live for your customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Shopify tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!